You've probably heard of FOMO, the fear of missing out, that anxious twinge when everyone else seems to be doing something cooler. But there's another FO you need to know about, one that's far more dangerous. FOBO, the fear of a better option. We live in an age of overwhelming choice, where even simple things can spiral into hours of scrolling and second guessing. Thousands of listings, hundreds of reviews, all for items as trivial as two pieces of string that cost less than your coffee. FOBO shows up when you can't commit, hovering between perfectly good options, afraid something better exists just beyond reach. It's a product of our culture's obsession with keeping every possibility open, leading to an ironic outcome. Too many choices don't make us freer. They paralyze us, burning energy and time, leaving us feeling stuck. The good news is there's a way out if you learn to judge the stakes of your decisions. Every choice you face falls into one of three buckets: no stakes, low stakes, or high stakes. Let's start small. No stakes decisions are the everyday details that simply don't matter. Things like what to watch tonight, which sandwich to order, or which shirt to wear. You won't remember them tomorrow. So stop agonizing. Outsource them to the universe. Flip a coin, ask your watch, and whatever it lands on, that's it. Move on with your life. Then there are low-stakes decisions. They matter, but not much. Booking a hotel, choosing a printer, or picking a team lunch spot. There's no perfect answer here. Outsource to a person. Set some criteria. Pick someone you trust, take their recommendation, and resist the urge to keep canvassing opinions. The goal is clarity, not consensus. Now we reach high-stakes decisions, the big ones. Which job to take, which house to buy, who to partner with. These deserve real thought. Start by defining what truly matters to you. Gather your facts. Then use the head-to-head method. Pick an early favorite, compare it against another option, keep the better one, and discard the loser permanently. Repeat until one remains. If you're still stuck, pull in a tiny group of trusted advisors, 3 to 5 people tops. Get their input, then choose. And most importantly, commit. Will you ever know if it was the perfect choice? Probably not. But that's not the point. FOBO tricks us into believing that perfection exists. It doesn't. Billions of people in the world don't get to choose at all because of poverty, conflict, or circumstance. So the mere fact that you have options is already a privilege. Don't waste it chasing the illusion of a better one. Decide, commit, move forward, because the power to choose, that's the real gift.